7 tips to increase your Facebook engagement. Hey, I'm James Bill from jamesbillofficial.com. Okay, let's dive into it. 7 tips to increase your Facebook engagement. Tip number 1, posting at the right time. Contrary to what you may believe, you could be posting at the wrong times, keeping your engagements low. This is critical that you post at the right times, and I'm going to show you exactly when to post. Sundays, 9 a.m., 32% higher engagement rate. Case studies show that this is a 32% higher engagement time period, guys. Sundays from 9 a.m. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And Fridays, people seem to be a bit more happier. So funny and upbeat content will fit right in here. Tip number 2, make sure you use images. They always seem to get more attention. The better images, the better the post. Tip number 4, you want to be sure to use hashtags. Hashtags are mostly used by our younger audience, but it's a great way to be found on the internet. Tip number 5, reply to people. If someone likes, share, or comment on your post, you want to be sure to reply to that person as soon as possible. Tip number 6, post frequently, but not too much. Studies show that the best way to get more comments and likes is to post 1 to 2 times per day. Tip number 7, have fun. Make sure that you're having fun interacting with your followers. Post a joke or funny meme and see how they react. It will help with branding your personality. So there you have it, guys. So go out there, like, share, comment, and engage with your followers. That's the 7 tips to increase your Facebook engagement. Again, I'm James Bill, and if this is your first time here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, where I'm going to be coming at you with more content that's going to help you to build a business and earn a passive income online. And please be sure to click on that link at the bottom there. I'm going to leave you a free gift that's going to help you to generate more leads, guys. I'll see you on the next video.